checking in again. Your pearly white friend today, man. You know I got something in store for y'all boys, man. Look, man, I told y'all the event center's going crazy. We almost done. Sneak peek. And I got something special for y'all. Let's go. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the vibes and stuff, man. Boom, as soon as you walk in, man, we got pay the fee. We got the vanities right there, you know what I'm saying? We got the vanities right here going crazy. Of course, we got the mail bathroom. We got the toiletries set up, you know, so we got those set up. Man, you know what I'm saying? This is another little spot that we got popping, you know what I'm saying? But first off, before y'all can even see all this, y'all gotta pay the fee. You gotta pay the fee. You know what I'm saying, bro? Pay the fee off the rip, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big GD shit, man. I'm telling you, get every dollar, man. You already know how we coming, man. Big GD shit. Boom, so we got another vanity room right here. And this would be the ladies' room, you know what I'm saying? This is where, you know what I'm saying, ladies flick it up, let everybody know where y'all at, get the spot popping, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we do, man. Bottle girls, models, man, y'all come slide in my DMs, man. I got something special for y'all, man. We're gonna have y'all looking real nice. We're gonna have some angels in the building. This is the high club and high rollers only, man. If you're not willing to pay somewhere from $75 or $100 at the door, man, don't even try to get in this event, man. I'm telling you, this is GED shit. Get every dollar shit. Big GED, man. You already know how we coming. Stay tuned, man. You already know the link tree, you know what I'm saying? Let's have the YouTube, the Instagram. We popping with everywhere, man. So, boom. Matter of fact, you right. We just gonna go this way. Boom. We got here, the kitchen, man. We coming with the kitchen. Let's kill it, you know what I'm saying? Let's kill some slack, you know what I mean? So, in this, you know what I mean? These girls go back there. But yeah, man, like I said, man, I got more B-rolls. I'm gonna slide some B-rolls for y'all and let y'all, you know what I'm saying, get the aesthetic feel of it. And this is where we take the orders, you know what I'm saying, where y'all make y'all food. You know what I mean? So it's like, so, I know how we do, like I said, we do this shit, man. Check it. Go. Yeah, so. It's GD and them alphabet boys. We turning up the town, we making that noise. You living life, but you can't afford. You living life, but isn't no more. Never knowing when your time can go. You never know how life can keep your ass afloat. But can you survive the look up in your eyes? Play your soul and love my on my mind. It's GD, man, them alphabet boys. We talking up the town, we making that noise. You living life, but can't afford. You living life, but isn't involved. You never know when it's your time to go. You never know when it's your time to go. Hey, you living life that you just stay afloat. You living life hoping you stay afloat. GD, yeah, them alphabet boys. Feeling the energy, feeling the vibe. Don't play pretend, please don't tell lies. Gotta maintain, gotta survive. Gotta know everything's a lie. Don't play dividends, you can see it in my eyes. Living life so outrageously. I mean, look at the surprise when you stick up in the lies. You set the times inside a fight. Whole lies, there's no nine lies. You brothers full of malice, baby. Check out the facade. And I don't like liars. No faith that you can hide. Demons coming out to play, so baby, please be nice. Please look up life. Lies. No way that you cannot hide. We just gonna, y'all be anticipated for the new drop, man. Like I said, everything is almost finished, so we anticipating towards the next year, the middle of next year, man. And yeah, big things popping, man. Shout out to the vlog, big dog. That's the man himself right there, man. Anything check in, all promoters, all DJs, man. Y'all need to check in now to seclude y'all spot, because when this spot is finished, we're already booked up. So yeah, man, y'all just gotta stay tuned for all the major things popping, man. So all promoters, make sure y'all hit up my Gmail, which is talentedbookings918@gmail.com, man. So yeah, man, we getting y'all ready for the new year. Y'all see how we coming. Everything's aesthetic. We have the aesthetics going. We had a high rollers club back here, you know what I'm saying? We got our people back there. That's the wine and the cigars, you know what I'm saying? The big high rollers back there. We got the VIP, you know what I'm saying? You see them? You see him up there on the ladder risking his life, man. So yeah, man, we got the whole little thing popping, dude. So yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Just keep on going, cause I don't even know how many square feet it is. I'm gonna just give y'all some B-roll scenes. You know what I'm saying? Let these little B-roll scenes play out. So yeah, all up there, that's the DJ booth, the VIP lounge as well, the studio down there. So yeah, this is going to be event center. So like I said, if you have fashion shows, if you have parties, if you want to host a bachelorette party, whatever the case that you think of, we can get it done for you, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, make sure y'all book now. Y'all contact me on my email. Y'all know my link tree can let y'all know everywhere to find me. And yeah, man, you know the fit today, just some slight black on black on black. You know how we do. And yeah, I just love this part right here. This is really my favorite part. I'm not gonna say because I drink, but it's just the whole thing. It make you wanna, you know what I'm saying? It make you wanna get drunk. Just look at the wood, man. The woodwork. It's the woodwork for me. I love woodwork. See how they put that stain on there? That's stain, boy. That's that real wood. And it kind of look like cedar, don't it? Is this cedar wood right here? Oh, y'all just stained it. Oak, okay, that's what it is. Oak. See, look at me. Ain't even knowing my stuff off the rip. But yeah, man, like I said, everything is in motion, man. Make sure y'all just stay tuned for everything that's going on, man. It's going down. We lit. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna grace the stage. Speaking of the stage, I ain't even show y'all the stage. Hold on. This is the best part. I'm gonna actually give y'all a really rundown instead of being lazy zooming in. Okay, so boom, boom, bam. This is a three-way entrance, right? Because they can go out on, oh no, it's a two-way, huh? Oh, it's three-way. That's why. Okay. So it's the three-way entrance, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Because this spot right here is like the main attraction, so it will be swamped. So you can have people going down. You have the wheelchair accessibility. You have the ramps over there as one entrance. Then you can come down these two stairs. You know what I'm saying? And this might be a pool type, whatever it is right here. I think this is the dance floor, but this right here is the stage, man. This is where all the performers go. And like I said, this is the VIP up here, so we can bring our guests right here and through there. They ain't even got to be through the crowd. They don't have to see nobody. We can just bring them straight up the stairs, you know what I'm saying? Let them be in their peace and tranquility. And yes, this is the stage, man. Look at the wood. Look at the wood on the stage, man. So yeah, man, like I said, man, big things popping, little shit stopping. 2023 is the Jordan year, man. We done made it to the Jordan year. Can y'all believe we done graced the place? And this thing is so much bigger than what this camera is gracing it. But yeah, man. Y'all already know the vibes. So yeah, man. Let me try to get to work instead of playing around with y'all. But yeah, like I said, Vlogmas, man, we going up all Vlogmas. Like I said, we had something in store. I know I ain't posted in a minute. And I know y'all like, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Yes, man. See what I've been doing, man. You feel me? Keeping it going, making connections. And like I said, all artists hit me up. I've been sharing y'all music on Instagram, and I'm sharing the hottest ones, the hottest people. I'm doing a showcase. Yes, we will be hosting a showcase, and we're gonna look towards Valentine's Day so we can do something for the ladies, something real special. Do a little lingerie party, you know what I'm saying? They had the hottest showcase, you know what I'm saying? Had the hottest people in town, you know what I'm saying? All over the globe. So like I said, man, stay tuned for everything I got popping. Let's go. I heard you was looking for me, hey, but I'm the one they wanna see, hey, living life a
You figured you me.
become with me, bless the powers that may be, hey, this nigga, that's what you play for. These niggas adore me, and I don't really give a fuck, nigga. Yeah, here's her story. So sit back and listen and pay attention to a real one, cause I'm a show.
That's where I stick, man. You know what I'm saying? You figured you me.
So yeah, back here is construction.
So yeah, man. It's the masonry bricks right there. Look at that wood, bro. That's the state on the woods. Yeah, Sirski. All of that is going to be lined up with TVs. Of course, you can see the mounts on those as well. So yeah, man, it's coming along pretty well. And then you got your drop ramp right here that you can drop down and you can see it from this angle. So yeah, oh yeah, and these is gonna be chandeliers up here. All of this stuff is up here gonna be chandeliers. Where you see you have your regular light panels up there, but the top is gonna be chandeliers, man, and more sectionals and all of that. And then you go drop down here. And then this is a whole nother spot down here. At another exit right there. So we have all of those. And then as far as the VIP spot, we have more lights, more lights. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Big things popping, little things stopping. These is for the games, man. We will have a little arcade center right here. You know what I'm saying? The darts, whatever, the darts, the pool tables, the arcade games, you know what I mean? Then you go up here with the big dogs where I will be most of the time, unless I just feel like coming down straight to the stage. But more than likely, I'll be up here minding my business in the cut. Like I said, it's very exclusive, very private. So yeah, man, you can mind your own business, and the DJ booth is on the other side of that. The DJ can't even see you, you know what I'm saying? The DJ don't even have access to you. So yeah, man, just everything is exclusive, top of the rim, man. The biggest thing that Oklahoma has ever seen. So yeah, man, Oklahoma is my hometown. I know a lot of y'all still think I'm in Florida, but I am not. So yeah, man, we bringing it back to the town, man. Real T-town shit, Black Wall Street. Bringing Black Wall Street back, man. You already know the vibes. So yeah, y'all didn't even get the angle. Oh dang, I didn't even give y'all the angle. Like I said, I was gonna give y'all a point of view. I was gonna give y'all a point of view look. So like I'm looking down on you peons? Not looking. But yeah, man, so I was gonna give y'all a POV. Give y'all a POV. So like, yeah. You see what I mean? POV type. Look at that stage, man. So like I said, you get grand access to see everything. You still, even though you're not a part of the club, you can still look down and still be a part of the club and still have an exclusive spot for you to vibe. And like I said, that whole back wall is out. And then the kitchen is behind the bar when we first walked in. I don't know if you guys seen that. So yeah, the kitchen is back down that way. Another exit sign will be going up there. And this whole thing is Grace with the oak. That's oak. You know what I mean? So yeah, and then, yeah, I think I showed out the front part where the kitchens and the bathroom and stuff was, but just in case you didn't see. So yeah, man, like I said, the foundation is pretty much done, you guys. So yeah, serious inquiries only, because things are starting to feel, a lot of people are changing dates as well. So some spots might be vacant. So you need to book those spots now. These are going to be the doors that's going up right here. Those doors will go up right here. I love this wood wall right here. This wood wall is pretty dope. And then this is the kitchen. This is the part I was talking about. Like all of that part is the kitchen, the maintenance, all of that things right there. And of course, we got the ticket booth where you guys have to pay right here. The entrance. Yeah, that wall is secluded off, but it also goes back around that way. My bad, my finger's in the way. Y'all see my little crusty fingers in the way, but so yeah, man, it's pretty dark, but yeah, that's the place too. So yeah, man, you already know the vibes. I should have brought me something to drink. I'm low-key thirsty. Ho, ho, ho.
Have a great time.